In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a looping video with Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your browser. Once you're on the main interface, head over to the video section. This is where you'll set up the project that will eventually become your looping animation. From there, click the highlighted area to enter the generation workspace. Next, click the image thumbnail or upload area near the prompt bar. This opens the character reference options, which helps you guide the output using an image you've already made. After that, choose Image Reference, then open your generations so you can pull from your previous work instead of uploading something new. Now select the image you generated earlier and click Confirm. This is an important part of the workflow because using an existing image gives Leonardo a strong visual anchor, which helps the final video stay more consistent from beginning to end. Once your reference image is in place, type in your prompt. For looping videos, your wording matters a lot. You want to clearly describe the scene, but also make it obvious that the environment should stay anchored and that the camera should not drift forward or move in a linear way. That kind of instruction helps the motion feel seamless and makes the loop more believable. Next, choose a model that fits the type of result you want, then pick a style that matches the look you're going for. After that, select your image dimensions. This should reflect where you plan to use the final video, whether that's widescreen, vertical, or another format. Then choose the number of generations. If you want a few options to compare, selecting more than one can be helpful, but if you want to move quickly, a single generation is fine. Once everything looks good, click Generate and let Leonardo create your looping video setup. After it finishes, you can review the results and choose the version that loops most smoothly.